Hello, I'm Mad Mike. This is Mad Mike Comics. New comic book day is over. It's after midnight. I got nothing to do. Nobody's streaming live on YouTube. Kind of bored. Man, I wish I had something to do. Wait a minute, I do. I got an unboxing to do. You guys recognize this symbol? Comic Head 84? Kenny? Yeah, I went and did it. Went and got one of his mystery boxes. Let's open it up and see what it's all about. At number 9? Let's check it out. Oh, thanks, Kenny. I ought to be picking all that up. Just hope I looked at the tape, huh? There we go. Hmm. 84 Box 2 Judgment Day. Enclosed you will find 1 to 2 bangers, 1 84 sketch cover, 1 minor key, 2 number 1 issues, 5 heaters, and 1 DC art card. Enjoy. Let's check it out. Instructions. Start here. There's my art card. Nice. All right. Let me get on my eyes so I can see this a little better. Gee, I love me some Shazam. Man, that's awesome. Thank you, Kenny. That's really awesome. JSA number 73. What else do we got here? Ooh, some Amazing Spider-Man 375. Awesome. Spider-Man's my favorite character, so I'm overly excited for this. Thank you. Cool. Moon Knight. I've been wanting to read some Moon Knight. Awesome, Kenny. Thanks. Here's something I can give to my girlfriend. It'll go in her collection. Awesome. It's Wonder Woman action. Oh, cool. Old school Daredevil. What number is that? 175? Awesome. Thanks, Kenny. Iron Man number 1? Yeah, this must be one of the number 1s. Thanks, Kenny. Deadpool, number 1. I got a little bit of Deadpool. It's going in my collection nicely. Batman 457. I don't really know much about these old Batmans. If you know, comment down below. Let me know what I got. Wow. Debut of Tim Drake as Robin. Cool. Guess it helped if I read the things on the bottom, huh? Ooh. Art. Cool. like the green eyes. That gives a little extra. Thanks, Kenny. That's awesome. Banger. First appearance of G.I. Joe. I just started collecting a little bit of G.I. Joe. Man, did you read my mind? Thanks, Kenny. Man, I appreciate it. Thank you so much, Kenny. You gave me something to do in the middle of the night. Anybody out there, Kenny offers a box, really think about it because you get your money's worth. I did, and it made me happy. Thank you so much. Until next time, this is Mad Mike from Mad Mike's Comics. See you later.